Good afternoon, dear learners. Everybody must be well from the Almighty of Allah. I know you are passing very tough time because you are missing your campus class. So this is the class for English, first paper for new first year. First I want to introduce myself before you. This is Tarek Ahmed, lecturer in English, Isamati Kamil Ame Madrasa. Before starting my class, I congratulate you and welcome you to my campus because you are coming different institutions and you have admitted here. Luckily, we are very much pleased that you are newcomer for our campus. In this pandemic situation, it is very difficult to communicate you, but with the basis of our technology, we can share our views and we can try to learning with the use of technology. So, dear students, in your intermediate syllabus, there are English, there are many subjects, but there is also 200 marks for English first paper and English second paper. I am discussing today English first paper. First, starting my discussion, I want to show the book before you. This is your English first paper book. It is made by NCTB. The price is very cheap, only 93. Near about you can discuss when you buy it. You can discuss the librarian to consider you some price. Anyway, so I request you can definitely buy this book. Without book you cannot understand my class. This is my first class for online before you. So first I use my board. Here I have already written some marks distribution for English first paper. It is nearly almost same previous year like SSC level. You can get reading task in SSC level. There is also 60 marks. Writing there was also 40 marks. But in reading test item there is something different. I want to discuss the reading test items before you. I know before starting my class, everybody please very attentively to hear my words and watch my writing. First passage, number 1, question number 1. There is 2 items, A and V. In A, MCQ. There is also 5 items. And each item has 1 marks. It equals 5 marks. In B, question answer. There is 5 questions and for 1 question there is 2 marks. So 2 into 5 equals 10 marks for question answers. This is for first passage. This passage you will get from your textbook. Now come to the second passage and there is question number 2. Information transfer or flowchart. There is also 10 marks. My dear learners, you have already known about information transfer in SSC level, but in HSC or ALIM level there is additional items, flowchart, and it's very common item for our exam. So everybody knows maybe we can miss or we will miss information transfer, but you have to be or you must be understood, you must understood the flowchart. After next class I will discuss about what is flowchart. Now come to the third passage, that is question number 3, summarizing. And you have already known about summarizing because this item is also be part of SSC level. There was also 10 and there is also 10 for HSC level. In total there are 3 passages and you get 35 marks. Start. So dear learners, I have already seen you that 35 marks. There was 3 passages this, and from these passages you will get 35 marks. Now come to the question number 4. There is the items with clues. That means here you will get 10 words in a box and also a text. You will fill up the box from this. You will get the you will you will make the passage from the words from the box. So with clues there is 10 blanks, and in each of blanks if you fill up properly you will get 0.5 equal 5 marks. Question number 5, without clues. There is no clues. You have to fill up the passage from your own, and you can just make a proper sentence. You can use grammatical changing also. There is 10 gaps, each of the gaps for 1 marks, and total you will, if you properly fill up the blanks, you will get 10 marks. So these 2 parts you will get 15 marks. 35 and 15 equal 50 marks. Now come to the number 6, rearranging. These items also be very much common for you because you have known and you have seen lots of rearranging in your previous classes. There is also 10 sentences, and all the sentences are based on irregularly. Just you can arrange this sentence in a paragraph to fill a proper story, and there if you properly arranging these sentences you will get 10 marks. So this 10 equal 60 marks. So dear learners, I hope you are understood reading items for 60 marks. Go. Dear learners, you have already known your 60 marks for reading test items. Now I am discussing about writing items. There are 40 marks. Very interesting and very common items for you. So first I want to show you question number 7, writing paragraph, answering questions. Very easy topics for you because you have known these items in your previous classes. There you will get 5 questions. According to the questions you will develop your paragraph. If you write it properly with spelling and making the sentences easily, you will get 10 marks for this item. So question number 8, completing story. It is also known to you and a common item for you. There is also 7 marks. Very interesting subject that in this items you will show or you will write your imaginary power. There a story, incomplete story, starting a incomplete story, and you have to understand this incomplete story and you will complete the story from your own words. If you write it properly and you will make this story properly, you will get 6 or 7 marks. So now come to the point, and question number 9, informal letters. Very easy topics, because in your previous classes, not only SSC level, you have known these items from 3 or 4, from class 3 or 4. So this is very common item, and there is only 5 marks. In SSC level, maybe there is 10 marks. Question number 10, analyzing maps, graphs or charts. There is also an interesting items for your writing skill. Here you get a chart or maps or graphs in your question papers. From this maps, graphs or charts, you will write it properly. In these items, you will write basically in your grammatical item. So from these items, you will get 10 marks very easily if you write it properly. Question number 11, and this is the last item for your English first paper, and that question number is 11, identifying theme, subject matter. It is a unknown topics for you, because in your previous classes it was absent. There is only 8 marks, but I can assure you it is very easy topics. Though it is unknown to you, but it is very easy topics, because in this item you will get a poems. This poems is already in your you will get, if you I have already shown this book English for today, and this item is also you will get this item from this books. Here you will get 14 near about 14 or 15 poems. From this 14 or 15 poems, you will get 1 poems, and you will write it, the theme of these poems. These poems will also just 8 lines or 10 lines. You will get 8 lines or 10 lines. If you write the theme properly, you will get 8 marks, and in totally the marks is 40. There is your writing items. Now I want to tell you something. I have taken my class in English version. I know maybe some of the students cannot or will not understand me very easily, but for your better understanding, I will make these total things very summarize that total things in Bangla version, so I can start my Bangla. I can repeat it in Bangla. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমি তোমাদের ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপারের আজকের 100 মার্কসের যে মার্কস ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন সেটা বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছি। যদিও এটা তোমাদের সাথে আমার প্রথম ক্লাস, যেটা আমাদের ক্লাসে নেওয়ার কথা ছিল এটা আমরা ভার্চুয়ালি নিলাম। এটা আমাদের নতুন অভিজ্ঞতা, আর তোমাদের জন্য তো অবশ্যই নতুন। বইয়ের কিছুই নেই, তোমাদের প্রথম কাজটাই হচ্ছে এই বইটা কিনে নেওয়া। আমি তোমাদের অবশ্যই নিশ্চিত করতে চাই যেটা তোমাদের কিনতেই হবে, বিকজ তোমাদের অনেকগুলো ক্লাস আমি নিব অনলাইনে, তো অবশ্যই বইটা না কিনলে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে না টেক্সট রিলেটেড যে টপিকসগুলো। আমি আশা করব তোমরা আগামী 1 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে এটা কিনে নেবে, তোমাদের পাশের যে কোনো লাইব্রেরিতে এটা পাবে। আর আমি অলরেডি তোমাদের বলেছি যে এটা এসএসসির মতোই, রাইটিং পার্ট ম্যাক্সিমাম এসএসসির মতোই, রিডিং পার্টটা ম্যাক্সিমাম এসএসসির মতোই। 60 মার্কস আছে সেখানে, এখানে 40 মার্কস, খুব কঠিন কিছু না। আর আমি তোমাদের ইংলিশ সেকেন্ড পেপারটা পরবর্তী ক্লাসে বুঝিয়ে দেবো। সবাই ভালো থাকবে, আর অবশ্যই তোমরা মাস্ক পরিধান করবে এবং বারবার হাত ধুবে। সো আল্লাহ হাফেজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ভালো থাকো সবাই।